Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, David bought a car for $1,125,000 and a house and lot for $2,350,000. How much change did she get from $3,500,000? Now here we have given cost of a car is $1,125,000 and we have given cost of a house and lot for $2,350,000. Now from this we can find total costs that David spent. $1,125,000 plus $2,350,000. So let us add this. 1,125,000 plus 2,350,000. So here 0 plus 0 is 0. Here 0. Again 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is 3,475,000. Now we have to find the change that David will get after spending this. 3,475,000. So David, here we have given David has $3,500,000. So change is given by 3,500,000 minus 3,475,000. So subtract this. 3,500,000 minus 3,475,000. Subtract this, we get 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2. Again here 4 minus 4 is 0 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So it is 25,000. Hence, David will get 25,000. From available options, we have option B as 25,000,